Okay, when we start talking about a single arm overhead press with a resistance band, all we're going to do for that is take our band here. We want to put one foot on the band. We're going to have it run underneath the arch of our foot. You're going to grab that band in one hand, and there's a couple ways that you can bring this up. So option one is you can actually bring it on the outside of your arm. So your palm's going to be in. You're going to keep your abs nice and tight, knees bent just a little bit, and you're going to have a big push on that side. So you're going to keep that palm neutral. So your palm is in, the band is running along the outside of the arm. So that's going to give you a bit of a neutral grip shoulder press with the band. Now if you want to have it a bit more of a palms out, same idea on the outside, but your palm's going to be out. You're going to give a big push straight up here and back down, right? So the whole time your abs are nice and tight. You're not arching your back. You want to keep everything nice and straight as you are pressing that band up overhead. Now, if you find that this band is rubbing on your shoulder here a little bit too much, no problem. Just bring your elbow on the inside of it, and you can actually just give a big push here and have your arm actually running through the inside of that band. Then the same idea, you'll just get a little bit less rubbing on the outside of your shoulder with that band. If you want to make that a little bit tougher, then all you do, bring both feet on it, right? Widen the stance a little bit, and then you have that same press up overhead. So that is a single arm overhead press with a resistance band.